What's up guys, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to apply a premium ceramic coating from Gtechniq's, In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to apply a premium coating, Gtechniq's Crystal Serum Light and EXOv4. So guys, I've used these coatings before, especially the EXOv4. Actually, they're version V2 and V3, but the Crystal Serum Light is a premium coating. It is much stronger than many of the other coatings that we use. It boasts up to 5 years. And you can top it with up to 2 layers of EXOv4. But today we're working on this beautiful Lotus Evora. We did a full paint correction, and now we're going to apply the coatings. So guys, if you're interested in any of these products, including the microfibers that we're going to show you in just a moment, go to Car Supply's warehouse. You can pick up everything there. So guys, we have the coatings here from Gtechniq, from Car Supply's warehouse, and I also want to show you these really awesome microfiber towels. So these are from Auto Fiber, and these are specifically designed for coatings. So they're numbered, as you see, up to 8. So you're going to have 8 sides. You fold it in quarters, and that way you keep track of what side of the towel you're using. Now, these towels are premium quality. They're super low nap. They're perfect for coatings. They wipe off the coating perfectly. So with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light, you're going to want at least 2 to 3 towels. And the reason for that is because this coating is extremely hard once it cures. So you don't want any high spots at all. So make sure to use plenty of towels and also have plenty of lights. One good tip to remember is get a headlamp. So I have this super bright headlamp here, and this aids in wiping off the coating, and you can really see if any high spots are left over. The vehicle has been wiped down, and now we're going to apply the Crystal Serum Light. So this does come with this little pipette here, and you do need it because it doesn't have the little dripper top on here. So it might make a little bit of a mess. So keep this somewhere where it's not going to tip. You're not going to risk anything like that. So I am going to apply it onto my usual applicator here, which is one of these. I don't like the one that it even comes with, and I don't like the micro suedes. I just use brand new applicators like this. So I'm going to have my little rolling cart here, which is really good to have. And let's coat this section here, make sure that everything looks good. And I'm gonna grab a light because you do want to have a light to double check stuff. So I have my little microfiber apron here, which I really like. I don't need the full body one. It just gets a little bit too hot. So this one has 3 pockets, and I put 3 towels in there. Now these are from Auto Fiber. These are really cool because they're actually labeled with numbers, so you can keep track of it. So with Crystal Serum Light, you want at least 3 towels, and you want to really check all your perimeter when you are applying it onto a panel. So let's show you. So start by priming your applicator with a generous amount of the coating. After this, you'll only need about 5 to 10 drops of the coating as you work around the vehicle. It's also easier to use a headlamp to see exactly where the coating is going on the panel. Apply the coating in small sections in a crosshatch pattern, slowly and evenly. Depending on ambient temperatures, you'll see the coating start to separate on the paint. It doesn't flash like other coatings do. So usually within 30 to 60 seconds, it'll be ready to remove. If it's warmer in your garage, you'll need to remove it quicker. If it's colder, it may need up to a minute or 2. Use your first towel to gently level out and remove the coating. Then use your light and a second towel to continue leveling the coating and removing it, making sure to overlap the section. As with any coating, you want to make sure to remove any and all high spots. So double and triple check each panel and all surrounding areas where you apply the coating. So after you finish applying Crystal Serum Light to the entire vehicle, you could begin applying EXOv4 immediately. EXO is super easy to apply. However, when applying it over Crystal Serum Light, it looks like it starts to haze. Don't worry, simply wipe off the EXO with the 2 towel method shown before, and it will flash away, leaving a slick, glossy surface. Again, make sure to use your lights to double and triple check all areas of the paint to check for high spots or streaks. All right guys, so that's it. The car is now coated. It's looking beautiful. These coatings are pretty easy to apply. Just a pro tip to remember, have plenty of microfiber towels and plenty of lights. When applying any coating, that's what you want to have. So again, you can pick up these products at Car Supply's warehouse. They're updating their online store every single day with new products. In fact, you can check out these high-powered LED lights here, and these go up to 7,200 lumens. You can buy these separately. So this was perfect for this job, and so these lights are perfect for, I can't think what I'm saying. So these lights are perfect for paint corrections and paint enhancements. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop and you don't miss stuff. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.